Okay, good afternoon, everybody. It's Wednesday, August the 20th. I'm out here gathering eggs, giving them some afternoon scratch and some more greens, and making sure everything's okay. And yes, it's still very warm out. They forecasted rain, but I haven't seen any yet. And the chickens are into it over the scratch. I got two young roosters that are starting to fight each other. As long as they don't bother me, I may leave them around for a while. And here we go over here. These girls are having them some scratch. I'll have to move back a little. I hope everyone is well today. Hope you're having a good day, and if you're anywhere near that coastline, stay safe. I think the North Carolina coast. Be safe out there. Don't take any chances with the weather. Don't forget to pray for the folks in Texas that lost so many family members and children in that flooding. Keep them in prayer. If you ever lost somebody, you count every day. You wake up every day and say, this is 10 days, this is 11 days. That's my experience. But I'm sure they're going through the same thing. But anyway, pray for the people of Western North Carolina that still don't have housing, that's still having a tough time. Pray for the whole world. Pray for peace. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. And remember, if you don't know Jesus today, call on him. Invite him into your heart to be your Lord and Savior. And just a simple prayer. But you got to believe that simple prayer in your heart. If you believe it, he'll save you. You have to believe with your heart and ask him to forgive you of your sin. And your life will change, and things will start getting better for you, because this is some tough times we're going through. And just pray about everything, because if you're in need of something, take it to God, because he promises to take care of us. Just take it to God. He'll take care of you. I still believe that prayer works. I still believe prayer changes things. And pray for our leaders. Maybe they can get those wars stopped. But pray for peace in the world, in the United States. Boy, it is warm out here. Cat, your nap is over. Time to get back to work. Go on. Time to get to work. You've had your lunch and your nap. Time to get to work, Oscar. Go on. Go on, go get to work. Check things out. Look things over. Time to get to work. Come on, Oscar. It's time to get back to work. You've had your lunch and your nap. The chickens need you out there guarding them. Thumper's already out there. Here he goes. He's gonna go. There he goes. He's gonna go back to work now. Go on, get back on patrol, Oscar. check things out. Yep, check things out. See what you can find in there. All right, everybody, you have a wonderful day. God bless.